Hello students, today we will be completing our reported speech. Now, what is reported speech? We may report the words of a person in two ways. Somebody has said something to someone, so we are repeating that same thing to another person. For example, Riya has said something to Sandhya, and that thing I'm reporting, I'm telling that thing to someone else. So I'm reporting the words of a speaker. These things I can do in two ways. Now, what are the two ways? We may quote his actual words. This is called direct speech. However, whatever the person has said, we can quote the actual words. We can say the thing as he has said, and this is called direct speech. So, what is the example of direct speech? The father said to son, study hard. So he said in this manner, the father said to son, study hard. We have not made any change in this sentence. We have just quoted the actual words. So this is direct speech. We may report what he said without quoting his exact words. This is called indirect or reported speech. Now we can make few changes. We can report the sentence but in a manner but by not quoting his exact words, and this is called indirect or reported speech. Example is the father told son to study hard. We can see the difference between these two sentences. One is direct speech, one is indirect speech. Now, what is direct speech? When the subject of the sentence states something to the object, that is the direct speech. When the subject of the sentence, subject means the main person, the person who does the work, he states something to the subject, then that is the direct speech. For example, the father said to son, study hard. We can observe this sentence. This sentence has two parts. One is the father said to son, that is reporting verb, and study hard, that is reporting speech. A direct speech has two sentences, two parts of sentences, whereas indirect speech doesn't have, it has only a single sentence. And in direct speech we have the use of comma and inverted commas. Okay, this is there in direct speech, but this is not found in indirect speech. Now, what is indirect speech? When the words or statements of the subject are stated by a third person in his own words, then it is indirect narration. Now, when we modify the words and statements or the sentence told by the subject, we are reporting something said by another person to another party, and we are making some changes, few changes. We cannot change the content, we can only change the sentence in which the thing is said. So that is the indirect narration. For example, the father told son to study hard. Here said to become told, and there is no comma and no inverted commas, and this is a single sentence. There is no two parts of the sentence like in the direct speech. So this is the difference. When you convert a sentence from direct to indirect, what you have to keep in mind? You have to keep in mind that you have to remove commas, and you have to change said to told, and there is a single sentence. Now, direct speech has two parts, reporting verb and reporting speech. Let us take the example of the above sentence. The father said to son, study hard. The father said to son. Said is reporting verb and study hard another part. This is reporting speech. Okay, so here we have introduced the topic, and we have discussed what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. And next class we will discuss how to convert a given speech into indirect speech.